guys, unbox some new Bubble skincare products with me. First we have the Water Slide Boosting Serum. Here it is outside of the packaging. It's brand new. Next we have the Overnight Hydrating Sleep Mask from Bubble. Here it is. You can tell me these two aren't kinda identical. Next up we have the Solar Mate SPF 40 from Bubble. Here it is. Oh, it's so pretty.